Okay, a federal magistrate judge made it clear he's open to revealing part of the Justice Department's affidavit that led to the search of Mar-A-Lago. That document is likely to hold key details about the DOJ's investigation. Zoreen Shaw has more.
The federal magistrate who approved the search warrant allowing the FBI to seize allegedly highly classified documents from former President Donald Trump's home now says he is open to revealing some parts of the affidavit that justified his decision to take that unprecedented action.
He understands that the public is going to likely be entitled to some parts of this warrant application and its affidavit.
On Thursday, the federal judge weighed arguments from lawyers representing media companies, including ABC News, who believe the public should be able to see the affidavit, and the Department of Justice, who want the document to be kept sealed because the investigation is still in its early stages and it contains key details about the probe, including their next steps, and could potentially compromise national security. In court, DOJ also said they are very concerned about the safety of the witnesses. But the lawyer for the press pushing back on the Justice Department's position.
It is not the government's job to tell the public what is meaningful in terms of the release of its own information.
The magistrate, a former federal prosecutor, says the process of redacting the affidavit will be a considered and careful process, and he gave the Department of Justice until next Thursday to submit what they believe should be redacted. He said he might offer his own redactions to the affidavit if he believes the government is concealing too much. He added he will allow the department to appeal if they disagree with what he thinks should be made public. But the one side that won't have any say in that process is Donald Trump's. The former president has said publicly he wants the full affidavit revealed, but his legal team did not take a position on the affidavit in court, choosing instead to only be observers. So when will the former president find out which parts of that affidavit will be revealed? Well, the same time as the rest of the public. It could take a while before that happens. Zoreen Shaw, ABC News, Washington.